Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, selecting the right drill set can significantly improve the quality and efficiency of your work. In today's video, we'll be exploring the 5 best mini drill sets that can enhance your toolkit and help you handle a wide range of tasks with precision and ease. If you're interested in current pricing or additional details about any of the products featured, please check the links provided in the description box below. So, let's get started. Number 5. Jenabom Cordless 14 in 1 electric screwdriver. You know that moment when you're trying to fix something simple at home, maybe tightening a loose cabinet hinge or assembling a new piece of furniture, and somehow it turns into a frustrating, time-consuming struggle? Your wrist starts to hurt, the screws won't go in smoothly, and suddenly a 10-minute task feels like an hour. That's exactly where this cordless electric screwdriver steps in. And honestly, it feels like one of those small upgrades that quietly makes a big difference in your everyday life. Right away, what stands out is how lightweight and comfortable it feels in your hand. It's not bulky or intimidating like a full drill. Instead, it's compact, easy to control, and perfect for those quick fixes around the house. Whether you're assembling a table, fixing a drawer, or even working on small DIY projects, it just makes everything feel smoother and faster. And the rotating handle? That's something you don't realize you need until you use it. You can switch between a straight design and a pistol grip in seconds, depending on the angle you're working in. So when you're dealing with tight corners or awkward spaces, it adapts to you instead of the other way around. It feels natural, like the tool is actually helping you, not fighting you. The forward and reverse buttons are simple, responsive, and make the whole process feel effortless. No more manually twisting screws in and out, just press and it gets the job done. It's one of those things that saves you time without you even noticing. Now, even though it's compact, it still delivers solid performance. The motor gives you enough power to handle everyday tasks, wood, plastic, even light metal work, without feeling underpowered. It's not meant for heavy drilling, and that's okay. It knows exactly what it's built for. Fast, reliable screw driving for real-life situations. Another small but incredibly useful feature is the built-in LED light. It automatically turns on when you use it, lighting up dark corners, inside cabinets, or under furniture. It's one of those details that makes you wonder why every tool doesn't have this. And because it's cordless, you're not tied down. You can take it anywhere, your garage, your car, even outside, without worrying about outlets or tangled wires. Just charge it with a USB cable, and you're good to go. The 14 included bits mean you're ready for almost anything right out of the box. No extra purchases, no hassle, just open it up and start working. At the end of the day, this isn't just a tool, it's something that makes everyday tasks easier, faster, and a lot less stressful. It turns those I'll do it later jobs into I'll fix it right now moments. And once you start using it, you'll probably wonder how you ever managed without it. Number 4. Grenpro 8-volt cordless drill. There's a certain satisfaction in fixing something the moment it breaks. No waiting, no calling for help, just picking up a tool and getting it done. But for most people, traditional drills feel too bulky, too complicated, or just unnecessary for everyday use. That's where this 8-volt cordless drill fits in perfectly. It feels less like a heavy-duty tool and more like something made for real everyday life. Imagine you're assembling new furniture or tightening a loose screw on your kitchen cabinet. Instead of struggling with a manual screwdriver, you pick this up, press the trigger, and it just works. Smooth, controlled, and surprisingly powerful for its size. The variable speed makes a big difference here. You're not fighting the tool, you're guiding it. Press lightly for delicate work, or go a bit stronger when you need more force. It responds exactly how you want it to. One thing you'll quickly appreciate is how comfortable it feels. It's lightweight, balanced, and easy to handle, even if you've never used a drill before. You don't need 2 hands or a lot of strength. It's designed in a way that makes you feel confident using it, whether you're fixing something small or taking on a slightly bigger DIY project. And then there are those moments when lighting isn't on your side, under a table, inside a cabinet, or behind furniture. The built-in LED light quietly solves that problem. It lights up your workspace instantly, so you can focus on what you're doing without guessing or struggling to see clearly. Switching directions is simple too. Tightening or loosening screws takes just a quick change. And there's even a safety lock feature that gives you peace of mind when the drill isn't in use. It's one of those thoughtful touches that shows this tool is designed with real situations in mind. Another small but meaningful feature is the keyless chuck. You don't need extra tools or complicated steps to change bits. It's quick, straightforward, and keeps your workflow smooth, especially when you're in the middle of a task and don't want interruptions. What really makes this stand out, though, is that it's not just a drill. It's a complete set. You get a wide range of accessories, from drill bits to fastening tools and even a level. So instead of buying everything separately, you're ready to handle most home tasks right out of the box. Charging is just as easy. With a Type-C cable, you can plug it in almost anywhere. No special chargers, no hassle, just simple, modern convenience that fits into your routine. In the end, this isn't about having a powerful tool for big construction jobs. It's about making everyday tasks easier, faster, and a lot less frustrating. It's about having something reliable within reach whenever life throws those little fixes your way. And once you start using it, you'll realize it's not just a drill you bought. It's a habit of getting things done right when they need it. Number 3, Bihoo Cordless Drill Driver Set. The moment you pick it up, you notice how light and easy it feels in your hand. It's not bulky or intimidating like traditional drills. You can comfortably use it with one hand and get started right away, even if you've never handled a tool before. And that's what makes it so effective. It takes away that hesitation around DIY projects. I still remember the first time I used it. I had a loose shelf that had been bothering me for days. Nothing complicated. But within a few minutes, it was fixed, firm, stable, and looking like it should. No frustration, no effort. What really stands out is the level of control. With 2 speed settings, you can go slow when you need precision, or switch to a higher speed for tougher jobs. On top of that, the 25 torque settings help you match the power to the material, whether it's wood, metal, or just simple screw tightening, so everything feels smooth and controlled. Then there's the convenience. Instead of buying tools separately, everything comes in one complete set. Different bits, screws, wall plugs, and even a flexible extension for those tight or hard to reach areas. It's like having a full toolkit without the mess or confusion. The cordless battery design makes a big difference too. You're not stuck dealing with wires or searching for sockets. You can move freely and finish multiple tasks on a single charge without interruptions. And there's one small feature that turns out to be incredibly useful. The built-in LED light. It makes working in dark corners, under furniture, or in low-light areas much easier and more precise. What makes this drill truly practical is how it fits into everyday life. It's not just for big renovation projects. It's perfect for simple, daily fixes. Whether you're putting together furniture, tightening a loose handle, hanging frames, or trying out a small DIY idea, it just works. More than anything, it gives you confidence. That feeling of being able to fix things yourself, quickly and easily. So if you've been delaying those small repairs or thinking tools are too complicated, this could be the perfect place to start. Number 2, Hoteche Cordless Brushless Screwdriver. This isn't just another ordinary screwdriver, it's built with a brushless motor, which means smoother performance, longer lifespan, and steady power whenever you need it. Whether you're tightening a loose screw or doing some light drilling, it gets the job done quickly and without struggle. I found it especially useful when moving between different tasks, like fixing a drawer and then installing a wall hook. The dual speed setting makes a real difference. You can work slowly for precision or switch to a higher speed when you want to finish faster. It adjusts to your pace, not the other way around. Battery life is always something people worry about, but this one holds up well. The 2.0A lithium-ion battery gives you solid runtime, and the fast charging is a big plus. In about an hour, it's fully charged and ready to go again, so you're never stuck waiting too long. One feature that really stands out is the built-in LED light. If you've ever worked in a dark corner or under furniture, you know how helpful that can be. It lights up your workspace instantly, making your job easier. The LC battery indicator is another thoughtful touch. It shows exactly how much power you have left, so there are no surprises halfway through your work. For safety, the emergency stop function adds extra confidence, especially if you're not used to power tools. And with the 0.25-inch chuck, changing bits is quick and hassle-free. No complicated setup required. What makes it even better is that it comes as a complete kit. Everything is neatly organized, easy to carry, and ready to use right out of the box. It feels practical, simple, and designed for everyday users. If you've been delaying small repairs or just want a dependable tool for daily tasks, this is a smart choice that genuinely makes things easier. Number 1. Hoto 16-volt brushless power drill. Have you ever picked up a drill and felt a little intimidated, like maybe it's too powerful, too complicated, or just not meant for you? I used to feel the same way until I tried this. The first thing you notice about the Hoto 16-volt brushless power drill isn't just how sleek it looks, it's how approachable it feels. It's lightweight, balanced, and surprisingly comfortable in your hand. You don't feel like you're holding a heavy-duty machine, you feel like you're in control. I remember using it for a simple task, fixing a loose cabinet hinge. Nothing fancy. But what stood out was how smooth everything felt. No jerky movements, no overdriving the screw, just clean, precise control. And that's where this drill really shines. It's powered by a brushless motor, which means you're getting strong, reliable performance up to 50 Newton meters of torque, but without the noise and wear you'd expect from traditional drills. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or just assembling furniture, it adapts effortlessly. But what really makes it different is how smart it is. The built-in digital display gives you real-time feedback, so you always know your torque level, battery status, and mode. It takes away the guesswork, especially if you're not experienced. And with 32 torque settings, you can fine-tune it for delicate tasks or heavier jobs. There's even an auto stop feature that prevents overdriving screws. That might sound like a small thing, but if you've ever stripped a screw or damaged a surface, you know how frustrating that can be. This feature alone makes it feel like the drill is working with you, not against you. And then there are the little details that make a big difference. The LED light helps you see clearly in tighter dark spaces. The USB-C charging makes it easy to power up anywhere. And the full set of bits means you're ready for almost any task right out of the box. This isn't just a tool for professionals. It's for anyone who wants to feel confident fixing things, building things, or creating something of their own. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about drilling holes or tightening screws. It's about that moment when you step back, look at what you've done, and think, yeah, I did that. So there you have it. 5 of the best drill sets out there. Whether you're working on small home projects or tackling tougher jobs, there's a drill set here for everyone. Do you have a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.